यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ। यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ। प्रेम और शांति का दाता, हमको राह दिखाता, यीशु मसीह की महिमा में मन मंदिर सजा लो। यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ। यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ। दुख में संग वो है, हर पल साथ निभाता, विश्वास की ज्योति जलाकर हर दिल को जगाओ। यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ। 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 यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु।
Hello, welcome to this mega faith event at DBI. Now I have with me Mr. Jonah Chintung, who is the president of the NERIC Northeastern Regional Youth Commission. So I'm happy to meet you, sir. So this program is very important for most of the youth. As youth yourself, what do you experience?
I experienced as a start, like changing my faith, deepening my faith.
हमको राह दिखाता, यीशु मसीह की महिमा में मन मंदिर सजा लो। यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ। यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ।
Now we have with us some youth who have participated in this mega fest, and I would like to ask questions from them. So, who is Jesus for you?
Jesus is our Savior. He shows the way, the truth, and He is the one through which we get victory.
And this faith event, what usually you see, or in what way it helps the youth to be better Christians or to love Jesus more, according to your experience?
According to my experience and my views, this faith, mega faiths, will also lead the youth, the youngsters, to form their faith in a proper way, to lead to their faith in a proper way, in a proper channel, without diverting them as they go abroad.
Who is Jesus for you personally?
Jesus is my savior.
A savior. Very good. What about you?
Because Jesus is our Savior, because He died for us. That's why He is our Savior.
Okay. What about you?
He is my Savior and He is my guide.
Students coming to participate for this faith event, and it is nice to meet them. So, your good name first.
My name is Pinky Gujur.
Myself, Rospriya Dhan.
My name is Helena Delbong.
My name is Muspika Boro.
Jyoti Barla. Asha Das.
Okay, so you have come for this mega faith event. My first question to you is, who is Jesus for you personally?
For me, I'll say it's my friend. He's my friend. And yeah.
Okay, friend. Okay, yes.
He's my life. It can't be explained only who is he.
Okay, very good. Who is Jesus for you personally?
Father.
Who is Jesus personally for you? Jesus कौन है आपके लिए?
मेरे लिए वो पिता ही है.
Okay, yes.
My heart, my friend, and my life and everything.
Oh, very good, very good.
He's a peacemaker, and then my healer, and then my loved. Everything.
I have with me, what is your good name?
I'm Claire.
Claire from Manipur. Okay, so you have come from far. What is your experience in this mega faith festival?
I experienced that Jesus is it is really with us, and He loves us, and He is always with us. We are not alone.
Okay, very good. So to you, what is your good name?
Junas Indwar.
Okay, so to you, Mr. Junas, what is your experience after coming here for this mega faith festival?
मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ. हाँ, यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लगा और मैं यहाँ से इस यूथ फेथ से हम बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए हम कोशिश करेंगे और मैं इस यूथ फेथ से यही रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि यहाँ पर जो लड़का लड़की आया हुआ है वो सब ईश्वर को जाने और ईश्वर में विश्वास रखे और अपने धर्म को छोड़कर कहीं नहीं जाए.
Okay, so thank you so much. So do watch us at St. Paul's Northeast YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.
Thank you.
की महिमा गाओ. यीशु की वंदना करो, प्रभु की महिमा गाओ.
My name is Tamchi John. I belong to Arunachal Pradesh.
And my name is Nimrod Basmatari and I'm from Nagrijuli Parish from Assam. And it's been a glad moment that I have been here and taking part in this mega faith fest, which is like organizing a program for the youths and energizing us and teaching us well and good about the good Lord. And it's been a good time being here and getting to meet different youth from different corners of our northeast region.
Now I have with me friends from Bongaigaon Diocese. They have come to attend this mega faith fest. So first of all, you introduce me by telling me your names, okay?
Hello everyone, I am Bihung Borgari, Bongaigaon Diocese Youth President.
Myself Joseph Sotari, I am from Bongaigaon Diocese.
Hello everyone, my name is Gilbert Basmatari. I am President of Bongaigaon Diocese, Young President.
Hello everyone, my name is Arun Bosmatari. I am from Bongaigaon Diocese.
Hello everyone, my name is Subungsat Goyeri, I am from Bongaigaon Diocese.
Okay, so you have come, spend time here, and you have heard the talk about, communication or communicating with God. So as the youth, this busy world, running with your works, studies, or and social media and everything that is there that the world is offering. What do you expect from the church leaders or from the church as the youth?
Church should practice synodality to walk along with people. Now we say like church leaders should be thinking about youth programs, women commissions, and should exercise freely, enthusiastically of all the implementations of all the rules of the church properly.
Okay.
For me, the youth president or the leaders should be behaving well with their students, with their partners, and they should guide us
for me that all the leaders, youth leaders must be active and they must have responsibility by herself and to guide to youths.
I also agree with youth leaders have to be very active to call her friends, best friends, everyone to come in the church.
Okay, so thank you so much for this short interview. Before we conclude, we shall say J for Jesus loudly. J for Jesus. J for Jesus.
प्रभु की महिमा गाओ